Welcome to Plurals. A plural is when we talk about things that are more than one. Most singular nouns form the plural by adding s. 1 computer, 2 computers, 1 car, 2 cars. A singular noun ending in s, x, z, ch, sh are made by adding es. 1 match, 2 matches, 1 box, 3 boxes. A singular noun that ends with a consonant and y is made into a plural by taking off the y and adding ies. 1 dictionary, 4 dictionaries. A singular noun that ends with f or fe is made into a plural by taking off the f or fe and adding ves. 1 leaf, 5 leaves. 1 knife, 2 knives. In this lesson, we have learnt book, books, sandwich, sandwiches, fly, flies, wolf, wolves.